Welcome to the digital passive income revolution. Today we'll be discussing how to ask the best prompts when using ChatGPT3. As a language model, ChatGPT3 can be used for a wide range of tasks, including writing, investment analysis, and coding. To get the best results from the AI, it's important to be specific and clear when crafting your prompts. First, specify the role you want ChatGPT3 to take on. For example, if you want it to act as a writer, make that clear in the prompt. Next, provide the goal or task for the prompt. Be specific about what you want the AI to do, whether it's writing an article, analyzing a stock, or writing code. Third, ask the AI if it understands the task. This can help ensure that it has a clear understanding of what you're asking it to do. Fourth, use specific and clear language when crafting the prompt. This will help ensure that ChatGPT3 understands what you're asking it to do and can provide the best possible response. Lastly, test and refine your prompts as needed. Experiment with different prompts and see how ChatGPT3 responds. Make adjustments as needed to improve the quality of its responses. By following these tips, you can help ensure that ChatGPT3 provides you with the best possible results for your prompts. And with its ability to automate various tasks, you have the potential to greatly increase your efficiency and earn digital passive income. So, give it a try and see the potential for yourself. And don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more videos on digital passive income strategies.